one dead smoke detector battery, one leaky pipe, one overheating server rack, one forgotten candle, one heavy rainfall, one inattentive security guard. In one moment, the whole world can change. Your business could go under. Your home could go up in flames. One event has a domino effect. But it doesn't have to be that way. Count on the unparalleled technology behind OneEvent to predict and prevent disaster before it's too late. Ever wonder why smoke alarms don't go off until after the building's unsafe? Ever wonder why catastrophes can go undetected despite traditional preventative measures like surveillance cameras and motion detectors? We wondered that too. We asked ourselves, how is it that we have smartphones and smart cars, but not smart building systems? That's why we created the OnePrevent system, powered by OneEvent Technologies. So how exactly does OnePrevent protect your investments and the people important in your life? Our robust predictive analytics monitor factors like smoke, temperature, and water in your business, home, or wherever you need disaster-proofing. The system adapts to your building's daily routine to determine what's normal. Then, OnePrevent leverages the power of cloud computing to immediately alert you when factors change beyond the norm. Our motto? Predict, alert, prevent. Whether your home's filling with smoke from a smoldering fire, or your boiler room ceiling is leaking onto an electrical panel, OneEvent can stop a typical scenario from becoming a disaster. OnePrevent relies on an app to send early warning alerts straight to your smartphone when abnormal activity occurs. Our system can warn you of a fire up to 20 minutes before your smoke detector goes off. You'll know what's happening, where it's happening, when it's happening. Unlike old-school alarm systems, OnePrevent is smart. Our patented OneEvent analytics function almost like a brain made specifically for disaster-proofing, learning more with every minute, constantly becoming more effective at recognizing abnormal occurrences. Our system collects a constant stream of data from simple-to-install wireless sensors, sending information through a receiver to the cloud. You don't need a landline or Wi-Fi on site. If your network goes down, OneEvent still functions. You'll love the convenience and connectivity of the OnePrevent app. When your building's monitoring system has a mind of its own, you are free to focus on more important things. OneEvent can deliver significant cost savings, enhanced control, and improved security. Bonus: you'll benefit from guided energy savings and freeze protection. Plus, increased property protection may decrease insurance claims and costs, while in-depth reporting and accelerated forensic investigation can be valuable well into the future. Want to be fly fishing in Missoula, yet know that your basement is dry in spite of heavy rains back home? OneEvent can do that. Need to attend a business meeting in Tampa while ensuring your data center is running smoothly in Cleveland? OneEvent handles that too. The future of averting disaster lies in predicting, alerting, and preventing, which is what we do best. Let us show you how easy it can be to save time, money, property, and maybe even lives. Predict, alert, prevent. Contact us today.